You want something hydrating for your hair? Why y'all never told me about this? I'm gonna turn to the back because I want to see what I'm doing. I'm trying to figure out, do I like the way that this feels?
Welcome back, Curlfriends. Today I'm going to be installing my mini twist while using Camille Rose's Honey Line. I'm blown away.
These two, this is what I want to use on my hair. So I'm wondering if I should like spritz my hair with a little bit of water, you know? But what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to section my hair. Let's do that really quick.
My goal is always to be structured when it comes to my hair and doing my mini twist, but I'm doing a different type of mini twist this time. I'm braiding the base and then I'm going to twist the ends. Now, I'm not going to lie, this does take some time, even on stretched hair, but when I say I got about a good 2 weeks of wear with these twists, I 100% will be doing this again.
So we're working on the bottom section first. I got my spray bottle. I have my mousse, I have my leave-in, and I feel like this should be the last step. So we're gonna try this out. I'm just gonna spray just a little bit, just to kind of dampen the hair just a little bit. And then I don't know how much of this to use. I'm trying to figure out, do I like the way that this feels? I'm not really sure. Oh, it smells so good. And then I'm gonna just put a little bit of this on this section as well. Okay. And I'm just going to comb it through one time because I don't think I need to do the most. Then let me
go ahead and braid this. Now, again, I did say that this is my first time doing this method, but I've seen it on girls and I just think that it is so beautiful. So I'm braiding it first, and I'm doing this in real time so that you guys can see how long it takes me to at least braid, you know, the top part, and then turn around and then twist the ends down.
I may regret that. I'm not exactly sure, but because I know I like to pull my hair up, so I don't know. And I only want to do that to like that section there. We're gonna see. It's a little tight though, y'all. Oh, my hair feels so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, this feels incredible. I never researched this. I never looked it up on YouTube. I literally am just going in blindly and I'm just trying something different with my hair. So these are the results. Just a little bit of water, a little bit of this leave-in, and then a little bit of the mousse. And I still keep putting too much mousse. Okay. And then I'm gonna comb this through once. And then I'm gonna just cornrow this top section because I kind of want my twist to last a little longer, but I want the roots to be, you know, I just want the roots to be a lot flatter. We're doing the twist. I'm super happy. And this three-way mirror is just simply the best. It's the best. Put it in two, and then I'm just gonna start twisting.
Honestly, that three-way mirror is what keeps me organized with my hair, because otherwise it would be a hot mess. I mean, just look at this original part here. Now, I would not be able to get this the way that I really want it to be without this three-way mirror. So for me and most of my hairstyles, I have to have my mirror.
I'm gonna turn to the back because I want to see what I'm doing. And then I like to section off. Make sure everything is. So this one is gonna go up here for sure. Then this will be 2. And this one will be up here. And then that's how I just kind of get it a little easier. It's so much easier to do it that way. And it's easier to work with.
Now this was 2 weeks ago and I'm already ready to do some more twists. Now what kind of twists? I don't know. I'll keep you guys updated.
Really nice. And what I love too is that since I gave myself a good trim, I'm not worrying about those ends being and looking crazy. They look really good and they just look well kept. So that is it. These are going to be some really good twists. This is very moisturizing, you guys. Whoa. This is so moisturizing for my hair. I just couldn't understand what the feeling that I was feeling was at first. Because I'm like, it definitely feels like honey, you know? It feels like honey, but I'm like, but I don't understand. I don't understand it. It's a very foreign feeling to me. So, but anyways, now that we have it, this is good. I'm so happy that I'm doing my hair.
Okay, honestly, I'm going to do some flat twists. And I'm going to show you guys how I do my flat twists with my nails now growing out. Like, girl, who am I right now?
Girlfriend. So the truth of the matter is that I love this combination. It is so moisturizing. Wow. So this has been, yeah, she's that girl. And I stumbled upon this by accident, you know?
Yeah, by sheer accident, because I literally had one of these products in here already and never really used it. And then the other product, I just bought it randomly and then I put them two together and I was like, whoa, hold on. Not me just having I'm pretty sure that all over their social media people have been using this already, but I have never used it. I've never used it, never tried it on my hair, and I am pleasantly surprised. And I am going to do some flat twists in my hair because I don't want to do these again. Not right now. Like, girl, they grow my hair like crazy, but I just want to do something a little easier. I think it's easier. So some flat twists. I'm going to be using the exact same products.
This is the back. Nice and just, it looks good. And then if I was to wear this out today, I'm just gonna pull it up, just play around with it. Listen, I automatically feel like a baddie when my hair is done. I don't care what the style is, as long as it's done. You hear me? My sister called me and was like, I'm gonna do my hair like that too. And I was like, do it, girl. I love it. She's the one who got me on doing twists in the first place. And, you know. So, super excited. Come on, girl, act right for the people. There we go. There we go. All right. Now, there was a section over here that, I sprayed too much water. And that was this section here. So, these are the most shrunken pieces ever. They're so shrunken. But it's all good. it's so shrunken. It's so fun. So I am beyond shocked. I never used this. I had no idea how to use it. I just knew I bought it one day and it said leave-in and it was, hydrating. I feel like I bought this like sometime last year. Never touched it. So it's just been sitting in here. But this is yummy. Why y'all never told me about this? Well, you didn't have to because I already bought it. And then I bought this year. And I was just like, I'll just try it, not realizing that I had this that I could pair it with. These two together? What? My gosh. Now, I will say, I don't feel like my hair is going to have any lasting power if I do a twist out, because this feels very moisturizing, which is fine. I'm fine with it, but I'm just saying I don't feel like I'm gonna get the hold with it. My hair is juicy. It is so freaking soft. Anybody who comes up to me is gonna be like, girl, what is that? You smell so good. But this, it's very, very moisturizing.
Thank you for watching, friend, and I'll see you guys on the next video. By the way, we're going to be doing 2 videos per week now. See you soon.